If you are a print-on-demand or POD seller on Etsy, then listen up. When you sync your items to Etsy from Printify, you may be surprised to know that there are a lot of ways that you can go about optimizing your listing, from descriptions to tags to titles and more. You can use eRank's draft listings tool to perform a listing audit on your listing to know what you need to fix in order to optimize your listing before you hit that activate button. Let's take a little look. Here we are on our eRank dashboard. To get to your draft listings, you're going to click Listing Optimization from your left-hand navigation bar and click on Draft Listings. I'm going to see right here that here is this personalized tote bag. And right away, it tells me that I have 0 tags and I only have 4 images. And they're both showing up as red because that is not optimized. Ideally, you want to use all 13 tag spaces and you want to try to use as many photo slots and the video slot as you can. I'm going to click on Listing Audit. This is going to perform an audit of this listing for me. There isn't going to be a whole lot in the metrics or history area right now because this product isn't even activated yet. Once it's been active for a little while, you'll be able to see more stats for this listing, especially if it gets sales. So I can scroll down and I can take a look at the SEO tips here. So it looks like I'm getting flagged for title, tags, images, attributes, video, and materials because I haven't gone through and optimized this listing yet. And I can see that I don't have attributes, I don't have any materials. Totes is filled out for the category, so at least that's there. And I do have the description and the images mockups right from Printify. And then I can also see a preview and the Google preview as well. So just taking a look at this draft, looks like I have a lot of work to do with this listing before I activate it. I hope that this was a helpful little tool for you, and we at eRank look forward to helping you grow your Etsy shop.